Long before whales crossed the oceans, before sharks became symbols of fear, another world existed. An ocean unlike anything alive today. Its predators possessed no bones, no true jaws. Yet within these ancient seas, evolution began one of the greatest biological experiments in Earth's history. For hundreds of millions of years, the oceans became an endless laboratory of life. The first hunter evolved to chase its prey instead of waiting for a meal. The first jaws crushed armor that had once been impenetrable for all other predators. The first giant predators grew larger than anything their ecosystems had ever seen before. Some developed bodies protected by living shields to withstand the constant pressure of predation.
Others replaced armor with astonishing speed to escape from the predators of their age.
Some became masters of stealth, while others relied upon overwhelming strength to defeat prey. Each represented the absolute pinnacle of evolution during its own geological age. For millions of years they ruled. Then suddenly, they all vanished.
Some disappeared during catastrophic mass extinctions that reshaped life across the entire planet.
Others slowly lost their dominance as evolution produced even more efficient hunters in the sea. Every extinction opened a new ecological opportunity, giving rise to another extraordinary predator. This is not simply the story of prehistoric monsters, but a story of adaptation. Across more than 500 million years, Earth's oceans never stopped changing, neither did the animals. We will witness the Cambrian explosion, where the very first active predator appeared in the oceans. We will travel through the warm, tropical oceans of the Ordovician, where giant cephalopods drifted silently. We will enter the Devonian age of fishes, when armored giants transformed marine hunting forever. We will descend into the oceans ruled by colossal marine reptiles during the age of dinosaurs. We will follow the rise of giant predatory whales, and finally meet the largest shark ever known. Every fossil, every ancient tooth, every fragment of skull recovered from stone reveals another chapter. Some mysteries have been solved, others remain hidden beneath ancient seabeds, waiting for the next discovery. Our journey begins more than 500 million years ago, when life itself was learning to hunt. Long before sharks, long before marine reptiles, Earth's oceans witnessed the birth of something new. For the first time, one animal evolved to actively pursue another. A bizarre shadow glides silently.
The world's first true super predator, Anomalocaris, has arrived. Its large compound eyes scanned the water with remarkable precision, detecting movement far better than others. At the front of its body, two specialized appendages extended like living traps to seize prey. Rather than relying on brute strength, Anomalocaris hunted through speed, vision, and timing.
Millions of years began passing. The oceans filled with new life, and some prey evolved protective shells.
The age of the giant cephalopods began. Camaraceras drifted above reefs as a silent giant.
Instead of constantly swimming, it floated, watching, waiting, conserving energy while smaller animals unknowingly approached. When prey entered striking distance, water erupted, and the giant accelerated backward with surprising speed. For the first time, predators no longer needed tentacles alone. They began biting. The age of fishes began. Dunkleosteus, a massive armored head, protected the brain with thick, interlocking bone plates. Instead of true teeth, Its jaws ended in massive, sharpened bone blades that polished themselves.
The Devonian vanished, but evolution never leaves a throne empty. In the darkness, the shark ancestors began to rise. Helicoprion, one of the most mysterious predators in the fossil record, left behind a spiraled mystery. As the predator grew, new teeth continuously developed, rotating older teeth forward into the spiral. When life finally recovered, the oceans would belong to the marine reptiles prepared to rise.
Shawnosaurus, one of the largest ichthyosaurs, became fully aquatic, abandoning the land entirely.
Its gigantic eyes gathered precious light beneath the sea, searching for food in the vast open waters.
In the Cretaceous seas, Kronosaurus ruled with brute strength, a titan of the plesiosaurs.
Its four muscular flippers produced explosive acceleration, vanishing the distance between predator and prey. Its enormous jaws carried rows of conical teeth that pierced struggling prey with ease.
The reign of pliosaurs ended, and Mosasaurus became the last king of the ancient oceans.
Its flexible jaws and powerful tail made it an apex predator for the final age of dinosaurs.
Then, everything changed. The impact event reshaped the oceans forever, and the reptiles vanished.
When the light returned, mammals emerged. Leviathan became a new giant in the Miocene seas. Its square skull and powerful jaw muscles made it a formidable mammalian predator of whales.
And then, the greatest shark of all. Megalodon patrolled the productive feeding grounds of the ancient world. It targeted mammals, and for millions of years, it was the ultimate apex hunter. The climate cooled, the prey moved, and eventually, the greatest kings faded into history. And then, the greatest shark of all. Megalodon patrolled the productive feeding grounds of the ancient world.
With modern technology, we peer into the skulls of the dead to understand their lives. Every bone, every tooth tells a story, and technology makes the ancient past speak once more. Yet, the oceans still keep their secrets, waiting for us to return with questions. Our journey isn't over. We study the past to better understand the world that remains. Today's predators, like the orca, carry the legacy of hunters spanning 500 million years. They are the latest chapter, refined by time, and they continue the hunt in our seas. Evolution never stops. It continuously reinvents the ocean's life, creating new wonders. Our journey has shown us that Earth is an ocean planet, and we are its stewards.
The ancient story of the oceans is still being written, and it is up to us.
We must protect these ecosystems, for they are the heartbeat of the world.
From the tiniest coral to the giant blue whale, everything is connected in this cycle.
We carry the history of these ancient predators in our knowledge, and the future in our choices. May we look toward the horizon with curiosity, understanding, and hope for all that lives. There is always more to discover, always more to learn from the depths.
Life thrives in places we once thought impossible, hidden away from our world.
The mystery continues, and the story will always remain unfinished. The echoes of the past remain the heartbeat of the present.
May we protect what remains, for ourselves and for those who follow.
Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary voyage through time. The oceans are vast, the history is deep, and our journey never truly ends. From the first movement of life to the apex hunters of today.
Everything is part of one story, one planet, one incredible ocean.
The history of these seas is written in the water itself.
Every drop tells a tale of evolution, survival, and endless change. We have only just begun to understand our place in this history. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep watching the seas. The oceans are calling. Listen to their story.
From the deep blue, we came. To the deep blue, we return. The story will never end, as long as we hold the wonder.
In the beginning, the ocean was a void.